Hi guys, today I have a really exciting recipe for you all, and this one is for my version of Halal Guys hot sauce. You guys know how delicious this is. I wanted to give you all my take. So to start, in a medium saucepan, I'm going in with some dried chilies. Now this is just dried red chili peppers. You can find it on Amazon or any Indian Asian store. I'm going to go in with just enough water to cover. You want to bring this up to a boil and allow the peppers to soften. Now if you cannot find these peppers, you can use fresh peppers if you like. Once they're nice and tender, we're going to go ahead and put them into a blender. Next, I'm going to go in with some white distilled vinegar, and just to put my spin on it, I'm going in with some anatto powder, some paprika. The complete list of measurements will be found in the description box. I'm going in with some mild chili powder and some extra hot chili powder. Next goes in some xanthan gum and some garlic salt. Now if you're using garlic powder, then you'll need to add salt to taste. Cover and blend until it's a very fine paste. Now if while blending it starts to thicken, all you have to do is add some hot water and continue blending. And then it's ready. Make sure and taste and adjust your salt, and then it's ready to be used. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Look at the consistency, just like Halal Guys. Really delicious and really easy to put together. Thank you all so much for requesting this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.